Not a YouTuber, you're not a blogger, you're not a podcaster, you're a freelancer.
Are you listening? Damn.
The third one then when it comes to getting clients is content. It's a very effective way to get clients if you focus on the right things. Blogging, YouTube videos, podcasts, social media, all these systems are designed to surface content. So even if you're brand new, if you create something good, your content can get surfaced and shared and liked and so forth. And next thing you know, you can start right off the bat. The thing that I think gets a lot of people really confused when they start thinking about this in terms of offering your services is you need to focus on metrics that matter. If you go to create a YouTube video, you might have watched or start thinking of it in terms of people that you've seen or heard about, like some of the more popular YouTubers right now anyway are like PewDiePie, Markiplier, the Pauls, even though a lot of people don't like them. Those are some of the more popular ones. There's other people that are out there. And so you might start looking at those people and sort of analyzing what they do and so forth. But the problem is they don't do what you do, right? They're comedians, they're entertainers, and you're not. You're a service provider. So they make their money through ad revenue, merchandise sales, sponsorships, that sort of thing. You make it through providing a service. So the kind of content that you need to create to build trust and get people to hire you, that sort of stuff is never going to go viral on a site like YouTube and get millions of views and be super popular. It's just not. Those platforms are not designed for that kind of content. Point is you're playing a different game. And you'd be surprised how well you can do and how much you can make from a couple hundred highly targeted views. Views that are attracting the right kind of people who are perfect. They're ideal for the services that you offer. A couple hundred views from those people can do a lot in terms of getting work, getting client work, etc. So you really have to focus in on the metrics that matter and not get caught up in trying to go viral, be this super popular YouTuber. You're not a YouTuber. You're not a blogger. You're not a podcaster. You're a freelancer. And you just use those as tools to help you sell your services. It's a totally different game. And therefore, the metrics that matter are totally different. The metrics that matter to you are bottom line revenue, how many people hire you, how much you can charge, those sorts of things. Not views, not likes, not shares. It's actual bottom line business numbers.
Yeah.